The topic now is gene amplification and rearrangement during development. Focus on this word, during development. So, gene amplification and rearrangement during development. Gene amplification and rearrangement also occurs outside, also occurs when the animal is not developing. So this we are studying during development. So as the name suggests, gene amplification refers to this gene amplification refers to an increase in the number of copies of the same gene rather than to an increase in its rate of transcription. Rather than to an increase in its rate of transcription. कहने का मतलब हुआ जब भी किसी जीन प्रोडक्ट की आवश्यकता बहुत ज्यादा है सेल में, तो सेल के पास क्या तरीका है अवेलेबल? एक तरीका तो ये है कि इफ दैट जीन इज देयर इन सिंगल कॉपी नंबर, the cell can increase the transcription rate. But here also there is a limitation. Cell cannot increase the transcription rate exponentially here. It cannot increase the gene product by this way exponentially. If that gene is duplicated, if this gene is duplicated, means the gene is present in many copies, and all these copies of this same gene are transcribed, then you will see an amplification in the gene expression. So, gene amplification refers to an increase in the number of the copies of the same gene, particular gene को कॉपी नंबर बढ़ा दिया गया काफी ज्यादा, ताकि रेट ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन बढ़ सके. Okay, and it results from gene duplication. ये कैसे हो रहा है? There are three possible mechanism. एक तो है gene duplication. As a result of gene duplication, what you observe is genes are arranged in tandem repeats. There can be two scenarios here. Tandem repeats मतलब होता है this particular gene is duplicated in end-to-end fashion. Means 5' end of this gene, 3' end of this gene is preceded by the 5' end of the successive duplicate gene. End to end. This is called as tandem repeat, gene duplication. Another scene is when this gene can be duplicated in this way and this is not the tandem repeat. Here the several copies of the same gene has arisen, but these copies of the genes are not end-to-end arranged. Can you see this picture?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the gene of interest. Suppose this is the gene of interest. Okay. And this is the linear DNA molecule fragment. Okay. Opening of the replication bubble has happened. So here the first segment of the DNA is replicated. Then again that segment has opened up, this region has opened up, and that is again replicated. This has replicated. So this has replicated, open up. This is the first initial replication bubble, जो कि ये था पहला वाला. उसके अंदर you find there are 2 replication bubbles जो बने, ये वाले. फिर इस replication bubble के अंदर भी you find these replication bubbles. So what you are seeing here, that gene is increasing its copy number. Repeated rounds of DNA replication yield multiple copies of particular chromosomal region. And this type of gene duplication in which you find tandem repeats, this is tandem repeat. And this is because of the DNA replication ending multiple copies of the particular chromosomal region. Tandem repeats arise due to retrotransposition. इसकी वजह से होता है. Retrotransposition is a phenomenon in which a transposon is the jumping gene, and retrotransposon is the jumping retroviral gene. That means this segment of the DNA, if a retrotransposon is there, then this segment of the gene will be transcribed into messenger RNA, and messenger RNA will be converted into DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme, often attached with this transposon or present in this transposon element. And this DNA will be inserted back into the genomic DNA. Genomic DNA. आपको जानकर आश्चर्य होगा कि in us humans 42% of our genomic DNA is consisting of these retrotransposons. ये इसी तरह से DNA पहले ट्रांसक्राइब हुआ, फिर रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हुआ और डीएनए वापस जीनोमिक डीएनए में इंसर्ट हो गया. ये प्रक्रिया बहुत बार चली थ्रू आउट द इवोल्यूशन. बहुत सारे रेट्रोवायरसेस हमारे सेल्स में एंटर किए और वो सब रेट्रोवायरस के जो मैसेंजर आरएनए उसका जीनोमिक कंटेंट होता है, जेनेटिक मटेरियल है मैसेंजर आरएनए, लेकिन वो आरएनए जो है वापस डीएनए में कन्वर्ट होके जीनोमिक डीएनए में इंसर्ट कर जाता है. So the result of which you find many copies of such genes. So duplication event here occurs. And another proposed mechanism for this gene duplication is unequal crossover during recombination event. But वो कब हो रहा है? Gamete formation के दौरान. And gamete formation is not part of the development of the animal. Development of the animal starts after fertilization. Okay, so you will consider this. The gene duplication, as a result of gene duplication, tandem repeats are arised, and as a result of this repeated rounds of DNA replication of a particular chromosomal region like this, you get amplified segment of the DNA in the genome. The genes which are the products of the genes which are required in more amount, large amount, then that gene duplicates in many copy number. इतना समझ में आया students?
Yes, sir.
It results from gene duplication that has been repeated many times. And by this duplication, producing 100 to 1,000 copies of the gene. Okay, and examples of this gene amplification are the ribosomal genes. Ribosomal RNA genes. Okay, डेवलपमेंट के दौरान एक राइबोसोमल आरएनए जीन्स है और हैं आपके हिस्टोन जीन्स, हिस्टोन प्रोटीन जीन्स. Okay, and the gene duplicates of, because the gene is present in many copy number, and the genes of these ribosomal genes and histone genes present in many copy number, they are found clustered in tandem array in the genome. They are found like this, in this way. Many ribosomal RNA genes are present in tandem repeats in our genome. Okay, hundreds of copies of ribosomal RNA gene are present in tandem repeats in us. तो एम्ब्रायनिक डेवलपमेंट के दौरान जब सेल्स का रैपिड डिवीजन हो रहा है, रेप्लिकेशन हो रहा है, सेल डिवीजन हो रहा है, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस हो रहा है, देयर इज अ लार्ज डिमांड ऑफ प्रोटीन्स इन दोज सेल्स. सो these cells require more ribosomes, active ribosomes in their cytoplasm. The cell fulfill this demand by expressing these genes which are present in many copy number. So many ribosomal RNA products are formed. They are packed into the forming ribosome, and they start translation. Because ribosome is the translation machine, the large translation requirement is met by utilizing this strategy. आ रहा समझ में students?
Yes, sir. Sir, during embryonic period क्या होता है? फिर से एक बार repeat कीजिएगा.
During embryonic development, you see cells are rapidly dividing. Cells are rapidly dividing during growth period. एक जायगोट से जब तक बच्चा पैदा हुआ ट्रिलियंस ऑफ सेल्स बन गए. ओके, 1 से 10 to the power 12 तक. टाइम कितना? 9 महीना. 9 महीना. अब आप मैथमेटिकली कैलकुलेट कर लो कि एवरेज सेल डिवीजन टाइम कितना रहा होगा. एवरेज. तो इतने कम समय में इतने ज्यादा सेल्स का बनना हो रहा है. इस डिमांड को फुलफिल करने के लिए एक सेल से, एक सेल का कितना वॉल्यूम होता है? बहुत कम, एग का, फर्टिलाइज्ड एग का, ओके, जायगोट बना, और एक बेबी जो बॉर्न हुआ 3.5 kg वेट के साथ, इसका कितना वॉल्यूम है? ऑब्वियसली इससे यह मिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस टाइम्स ज्यादा है, ट्रिलियंस टाइम, trillions of times it is more. So the rate is, this protein synthesis rate should be enhanced. So ये protein synthesis का rate जब बहुत ज्यादा है तो how it will be met? There should be many copies of the ribosomal genes present in the genome. Okay. And these, not only these, the tandem repeats of these ribosomal genes are present already in many copy number. Okay, nearly 100 to 1000 copies are present. These ribosomal genes will again amplify utilizing this strategy during embryonic development. Now, what you have is that this gene is now, the activity of this gene can be increased to 1,000 to million folds to meet the demand of increased ribosomal RNA. Okay? सबसे ज्यादा जो RNA होता है सेल में वो राइबोसोमल RNA होता है। मैसेंजर RNA तो बहुत कम होता है क्योंकि कुछ ही जीन एक्सप्रेस होते हैं, उसके ही मैसेंजर RNA बनेंगे। सबसे ज्यादा राइबोसोमल RNA, उसके बाद ट्रांसफर RNA और सबसे कम मैसेंजर RNA। Okay, by amount they are present in the cell. So similarly, histone genes are also arranged in this way. Why histone genes are required in higher copy number? Because cell division is happening. So there is a large demand of histone proteins, because these histone proteins will pack the nuclear chromatin material, chromosome material, DNA, histone protein and DNA complex. It will bind. DNA will be coiled around the histone protein molecules, because this is basic. These proteins are rich in basic amino acids like lysine, and DNA is deoxyribose. DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid, which is throughout its length, it is negatively charged. So the histone proteins neutralize it. So you need large amount of histone proteins because cells are rapidly dividing. DNA is replicating, new DNA strands are forming and coming. So you need more and more histone proteins. That's why these histone proteins genes are also present in many copy number in the form of tandem repeats. Students, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको मिटा दूं?
Yes, sir.
अब देखिए कि ये तो even in the normal condition, if the adult body has taken in the form of an adult, these high copy number ribosomal genes and histone protein genes are required. Why these are in high copy number? Because in certain tissues and cells where they are dividing rapidly, to meet those demands, But the demand under the developmental condition is much more than that. Even the tandem repeat is not going to suffice that demand. So these tandem repeats again amplify, like the way this you have seen just in the figure. Okay. So in actively growing differentiated tissues such as those seen in the embryonic development, ribosomal RNA is needed. Samjhe? Ribosomal RNA is needed in large amounts, and that can only be provided by multiple copies of the same gene. Okay. Students, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here what you are seeing is gene amplification is a type of alteration in the genome structure as a tool for the fulfillment of the need of the developing cell or differentiating cell. Okay. So using this strategy, developing cell is meeting its demand. Okay. Another type of alteration, the second type of alteration in the genomic structure is the gene arrangement. This we will see later. First, we will see this. In the context of development, gene amplification in the context of development only we will see, because the examples of gene amplification you have seen already. You have seen artificial DNA amplification in the form of PCR. This is artificial gene amplification. Okay. नाम सुने हो PCR का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not only PCR, एक होता है ligase chain reaction LCR, एक होता है transcription mediated amplification. All these are artificial ways of DNA amplification used in research and therapeutics or diagnosis or in forensic science, forensic diagnosis. These methods are utilized. But natural DNA amplification you see in normal circumstances in the adult body, because you are studying this paper, the developmental biology. So you have to consider these two separate entities. Like a body can be of two types, embryonic, BRO, embryonic and adult. Adult is a fully grown baby, a fully grown body, and the embryonic body is developing body. Its requirement is very high. It is very demanding. But the adult body is not that much demanding. Requirement is less. Nutritional requirement is also less. They are mature grown cells. So here in the adult body, also you see DNA amplification as a result of gene duplication. Okay. Because many ectopic recombination event can happen. And due to retrotransposition event also, just I have explained you retrotransposition. Retrotransposition is basically a RNA virus, which is living inside your genome. And your genome is roughly around 3 billion base pairs. Out of these, nearly 40% is retrotransposable elements. Yani 42% RNA virus ka genome in your genome. Okay, how this has happened? Because of the millions of our evolutionary history. हमारे डीएनए जो है इनहेरिटेबल है, एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में वो पास हो रहा है. In every generation, these viruses are getting inside the cell and they are inserting their genomic material into your genomic material in the nucleus, and they are remaining silent over there. Sometimes they get expressed, leading to cancer or other kind of severe pathology. Okay, so this is out of the topic now for you. So retrotransposable event के द्वारा भी जीन डुप्लीकेशंस होते हैं. कुछ कंडीशन है, एनिप्लॉइडी, पॉलीप्लॉइडी, रेप्लिकेशन स्लीपेज. एनिप्लॉइडी क्या है कि एक क्रोमोसोमल फ्रैगमेंट इज वन क्रोमोसोमल फ्रैगमेंट इज एक्स्ट्रा इन द aneuploidy is basically the presence of an abnormal number of chromosome in a cell. Suppose a person is having 3 chromosome number 2, but all other chromosomes are paired. This will be called as aneuploidy. तो इसमें क्रोमोसोम की संख्या, तो ये सब नेचुरल डीएनए एम्प्लीफिकेशन है, लेकिन एग्जाम्पल है. लेकिन हमको अभी यहाँ पर पढ़ना है जीन हम अलग से बता दें जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन ड्यूरिंग डेवलपमेंट. So you will not write all these things in your answer if it is asked in this paper. Okay, this is just an overview to broaden your mind. जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन जो डेवलपमेंट के दौरान हो रहा है वो आपको मैंने बताया है. राइबोसोमल आरएनए के जीन्स, हिस्टोन जीन्स, these are getting, और भी अभी एग्जाम्पल बताएंगे आपको. These are getting amplified. इतना तक क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in some cases, like all those gene amplification, we सारे in adult and in embryonic stage that we are talking about, we are focusing on embryonic gene amplification during the embryonic development. Okay, so in these cases, gene amplification is responsible for developmentally programmed increase in gene expression. Gene amplification during development is responsible for is responsible for developmentally programmed increase programmed increased in gene expression. ठीक है. This is gene amplification during development is responsible for developmentally programmed increase in gene expression. डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो जीन एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जीन का, जिसके प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में जरूरत है, उसके लिए वो डेवलपमेंटली प्रोग्राम्ड है कि दैट जीन विल बी एम्प्लीफाइड, फॉर विच द जीन प्रोडक्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन वेरी 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 लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. एक एग्जांपल तो भी आपको बताया, राइबोसोमल आरएनए जीन्स. ओके, हर तरह के सेल में ये होते हैं. ओके, एंड इन particularly it is studied in more detail in amphibian oocytes. The amphibian eggs are extremely large egg cells, large cells. Amphibian eggs. ह्यूमंस में भी ऑब्जर्व किया गया, ऐसा नहीं कि ह्यूमंस में नहीं दिखा, लेकिन ये स्टडी हुआ है तो विथ एविडेंस वी आर सेइंग डिस्कसिंग इट, रिवीलिंग इट. सो एम्फीबियन एग्स जो है दे आर एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज सेल्स. एनी एग, कोई भी एग जो है, ह्यूमन एग भी लार्ज ही है सोमैटिक सेल से. इफ यू कंपेयर the size of a somatic cell and an oocyte, we find that oocyte is always larger than the somatic cell belonging to the same species. Humans में ये difference थोड़ा कम है. Amphibian eggs, they are extremely large cells. Therefore, they have correspondingly high requirement of protein synthesis. Okay? For एग्जाम्पल, कितना बड़ा है एम्फीबियन एग oocyte. Okay, तो एम्फीबियन oocyte in particular are about 1 million times larger in volume than typical somatic cell. This amphibian egg is not 1 lakh, 1 million. 1 million times larger than the somatic cell, larger in volume than typical somatic cells. Therefore, this large volume and the large size of this amphibian egg, amphibian oocyte, must support large amounts of protein synthesis during early development. And this requires increased synthesis of ribosomal RNA. And this is accomplished by amplification of ribosomal RNA genes. Amplification of tandem repeats of ribosomal RNA genes. ऑलरेडी राइबोसोमल आरएनए जीन है बहुत सारा इन टेंडम रिपीट्स, इनका भी एम्प्लीफिकेशन हो गया, जैसे अभी बताया इस फिगर में. ये फिगर आपने देखा था अभी, फिर से देख लीजिए. लाइक दिस, ऑल दीज लोसाई आर amplified like this. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
नींद आ रही है क्या?
No, sir.
ठीक है ना. सो टैंडम रिपीट्स में पहले से ही है और उसके बाद सोने पर सुहागा हो गया. ओके, एक तो नींद ऊपर से करेला, तो और एम्पलीफाई हो गया ये, और इसकी वजह से एक बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ राइबोसोमल आरएनए की जो जरूरत है सेल के डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज पर उस वक्त. ओके, और उस पूरे डेवलपमेंट के जर्नी में. सो दैट राइबोसोमल आरएनए रिक्वायरमेंट विल बी मेट बाय दिस स्ट्रेटजी. So this is gene amplification during development seen in amphibian oocytes. Okay? इतना समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So इसकी वजह से additional 2000 to approximately 1 million fold or 1 million fold राइबोसोमल आरएनए की सिंथेसिस बढ़ जाती है। ओके, 1 million copies, okay, of genes, 1 million copies of ribosomal RNA gene हो गया in that cell. So you see that high requirement is met by this way. Another, इसको मिटा दूं?
Yes, sir.
दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है, जो कि आप ड्रोसोफिला में देख सकते हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं अभी हम लोग ड्रोसोफिला जेनेटिक्स, ड्रोसोफिला डेवलपमेंट, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही पढ़ रहे हैं लेकिन आपको एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है। तो इसमें हम देख रहे हैं कि जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन हो रहा है ड्रोसोफिला में। ड्रोसोफिला में हम दो तरह का जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन आपको बताएंगे। पहला तो इन ड्रोसोफिला डेवलपमेंट, नंबर 1, the genes that code the egg cell protein, genes that encode egg cell protein. This is Drosophila egg, this is egg cell, and the proteins which is part of this egg cell, and the gene of those proteins, basically genes of these egg cell proteins are chorion proteins. And these genes are amplified in ovarian cells. थोड़ा सा ये अलग है, आप अभी समझ जाओगे। Ovarian cells to support the requirement of the large amount of these proteins. Okay? तो आप देखिए यहां पर जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन उस साइट में नहीं हुआ, ये ओवेरियन, अदर ओवेरियन सेल्स में हुए। आपने देखा था कि बाइक्वाइड प्रोटीन का मैसेंजर आरएनए का सिंथेसिस हैज टेकन प्लेस इन द नर्स सेल्स, एंड फ्रॉम देयर द बाइक्वाइड मैसेंजर आरएनए हैज कम इनसाइड द oocyte, and it is localized and fixed in a particular region, anterior region of the oocyte. So बाइक्वाइड प्रोटीन, नैनोज प्रोटीन, हंचबैक, कॉर्डल, ये सब कहां से आ रहे हैं? नर्स सेल से, यानी ये ओवेरियन सेल से आ रहे हैं। मैटरनल इफेक्ट जीन्स एक्सप्रेस होके आया मैसेंजर आरएनए। तो इसी तरह ये जो जीन है, ओवेरियन जीन सेल्स, आपके नर्स सेल्स, उनमें जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन होता है, और जीन एम्प्लीफिकेशन होने के बाद ये प्रोटीन्स जो है आपके, दे आर पैक्ड इन द